when I was a younger coach and I was trying to figure out how can I help people move from A to B to Z, whatever it was that there was their dream. How am I going to do this? And I knew I had some skills and I knew listening was one of them. And I was thinking, what's the right mix for listening and talking? And Thomas Leonard is the one who said, you should be listening 90% of the time and talking 10. And I remember I literally, in my first coaching sessions, I like kept track. So I probably didn't listen so great to the person I was talking to, but I was keeping track. And the first one that I did where I was like, I was 90%, 90% listening. Afterward, I said to the man I was coaching, I said, how was that? Or what did you take away? And he goes, this was the best session we ever had. And I felt like I did nothing.